There is a bird on your head. Okay, but seriously, I love this book because when I first read the title, it makes me think of my mom, who is very afraid of birds. So when I was little, sometimes I would actually say, "There's a bird on your head," and she'd freak out. When I was little, I used to think, she was just messing with me and she was just trying to make me laugh. She is very afraid of birds, so this book makes me think of her in happy ways, not bad ways, positive ways. But There's a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. I love these book series. Elephant and Pig are awesome. So this first page just shows Elephant and Pig chilling, and then look. Goodness. Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. But look. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are love birds. I love Joel's face. He's like, really? Lovebirds. How do you know they're lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I love Piggy's face. I am afraid to ask. I wonder what happens next. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. 3 eggs. Oh man, that was fast. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then good news. Then I have good news. Interesting. Wonder what happens next. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching! I don't think Gerard's too happy about that. Hatching? The eggs in my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. handkerchief and crying right now. That's funny. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds, and a nest. I don't think that makes Gerald feel better when Piggy says that part. I don't think so. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Really, Piggy? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them? Interesting. I wonder if that'll work. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? He asked politely. I wonder if they'll leave. No problem. It worked. Bye. They took their nest. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Gerald was showing gratitude. You are welcome. Look what happened to Piggy. Now the birds are on Piggy's head. If you enjoyed me reading this book, please like, follow, share, subscribe, all those wonderful positive things that let me know that you want me to do more of these books, do you want me to share more things, and that you're enjoying it. So thank you so very much. I appreciate it. There's a bird on your head. It's in the book. It's the book.